Howdy. Slow drag. So the sign said pulverized pets. So like, man, somebody needs to get smacked. Kind of digging on that, grooving on that lacrosse. You got a interesting line on it. Well, blind spot detection doesn't work on that unless you just like being a jerk. I can smell the rain that was through here. Of course you can see it too. Brushed pavement and rain after a few hot days. It has cooled off about 10 degrees, 86 to 77 Fahrenheit. Man, this feels good. Bike's gonna definitely need a bath this weekend. Smells like armpit sweat through here. Yeah. What the hell's that all about?